Welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. It is easy to make money if we keep following the indicators and if we are alive to the ongoing inflection points. It's very important, especially in quite range-bound market that it is these days, to note the turning points and trend reversal signals, because if the trend is going to be a few hundred points, of which if we take 50 to 60% points to recognize the trend reversal, then there is hardly anything left, because again we are not going to sell at the highest point. We will realize the reversal only after it starts coming down. So there we lose again 25-30% points. So you see, it's important for us to recognize the turning points and trend reversal signals. And how do we do that? There are many different small things that we can recognize, we can read. For example, yesterday, day before, and on Sunday, I have been harping on Reliance making a bullish divergence. Now, what is so great about it? See, Reliance is a heavyweight, which has highest weightage, which is the largest component, individual component of Nifty 50, and that seemed to be under bear grip, and it was not natural when Reliance made a few recurring 52-week lows, and seeing last week, at the end of last week, the bullish divergence made by Reliance was something heartening. And today, that indication is vindicated today. So Nifty has gone up thanks to all the. It is a secular up move, but Reliance has gone up by more than 3% just in one trading session, which is very heartening. And you can see here the first green shoot, 5-day moving average showing green, and the points are turning out a little less negative. So according to me, this could be a turning point, a trend reversal signal. Let us see how Nifty 50 index looks for the past month. There again, we see the 5-day moving average showing a little green, and all the other indicators showing a little less negative move. This is the Bank Nifty indicators. This has turned out to be decently greenish. It has turned out to be a good day. So we better trust these indicators and believe and hope that this is the trend reversal. But when we do that, we need to be careful about the levels. We need to have stop losses at the proper levels. And for that, we need to look at the levels of individual stocks. This is the pivot point, support and resistance levels of all Nifty 50 stocks for tomorrow. First page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. And this is the second page, from Divi's Lab to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance. And this is the last page of levels, SBI Life Insurance to Wipro. Nifty and Bank Nifty are included in this. And it is heartening to see that, of course, this red rows are 52-week lows. It's heartening to see that Reliance has got out of 52-week low. It has made more than 3% up move today. So it's out of a 52-week low. Make note of all these things. Make use of it. Make good use of it. Because tomorrow onwards, if you use this thing well, you could be making good money. Take care. Before I say goodbye, once again, let me remind you to keep watching our videos, subscribe, like, and share our videos. Don't forget to watch the earlier videos, which have a lot of good lessons. Take care. Goodbye.